Hi, my name is Shanee Stopnitzky, and I'm the founder of Upwelling. And our company is protecting coastal livelihoods now and into the future by enhancing the way marine ecosystems naturally cope with environmental change. So we're mimicking a natural upwelling process with a turbine pump, and that process brings cold, nutrient-rich, pollution-free water up from the depths to the surface waters to protect and cool shallow marine ecosystems and insulate them from the harmful effects of climate change. Seaworthy has helped me in a variety of ways on this journey. In terms of practical support, they have provided all of the foundational knowledge I need for business development, which for me as a scientist was very foreign and very important to my growth. And so I learned how to do all the things that you do when you're pitching to investors, how to talk about business things, how to raise money effectively. And yeah, they just really supported me as an entrepreneur in every way. One highlight of this experience is just interacting with this Seaworthy family. Every individual has so much expertise and experience and knowledge and so much generosity in sharing those things that just every conversation I've had with my fellow members of the cohort and with the Seaworthy mentors, every single interaction has just been so rich and meaningful and helped me so much that when I think about the highlight of Seaworthy, it's the people. One word I would use to describe the experience is nurturing.